Major exit polls have predicted a resounding victory for the BJP-led NDA across the country, but it's in the 5 southern states that their performance stands out. Most of the polls predict the BJP to make unexpected breakthroughs in Kerala and Tamil Nadu, the 2 states to have traditionally rejected the party. Here are the takeaways from the 5 southern states. In Kerala, India Today MyAxis India exit polls predict the NDA to open its account in 2 to 3 seats, whereas ABP C-Voter has given the BJP alliance 1 to 3 seats. The Congress-led UDF is expected to get 17 to 19 seats as per these polls. In Tamil Nadu, the DMK-led India bloc is expected to win 33 to 37 seats, whereas the NDA is predicted to get 2 to 4 seats according to the India Today MyAxis India poll. ABP C-Voter has given 37 to 39 seats to the India bloc and 0 to 2 seats to the NDA. Most exit polls have projected a steep fall in the vote share of the AIA-DMK, which is likely to have benefited the BJP. In Karnataka, the NDA is expected to more or less retain its seats. The BJP, with its partner JDS, is expected to win 23 to 25 seats as per ABP C-Voter. The India bloc is not projected to gain as many seats as it had expected post the Congress's victory in the 2023 assembly polls. The party may increase its tally from 1 to between 3 and 5. In Telangana, both the BJP and the Congress are expected to gain in seats, whereas the BRS is facing a rout according to the exit polls. While India Today Axis My India has predicted 11 to 12 seats for the BJP and 4 to 6 seats for the Congress, ABP C-Voter has given 7 to 9 seats for the BJP and Congress each. Finally, in Andhra Pradesh, the ruling YSRCP is predicted to face massive losses in the Lok Sabha elections. From 22 seats in 2019, the party is expected to gain only 0 to 4 seats as per ABP C-Voter and 2 to 4 according to India Today MyAxis India. The alliance of Telugu Desam Party, Janasena Party and the BJP are set to get 21 to 25 seats. Tune in to the Quint's coverage of the election results on June 4th.